Yeah, hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Okay, my channel name is Ram's Kitchen, but in few days I'm renaming it. Okay, because there is a YouTube policy. Okay, that you can't change the name because there are multiple channels with the same name. So today for our channel there is a guest. Okay, he is Bablu Kisku. Okay, from West Bengal, I think, and he is English teacher. So let's welcome. Okay, hello sir. How are you?
Okay, so I'm very good. Thank you for inviting me in your channel. So it's good evening, and how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm just great as usual. Okay, I'm terrific. And how was your day? And thanks for just giving me the opportunity. Okay, just to talk with you, sir.
Okay, so my day has been a long day as I'm a school teacher, so I have to do many works all the time.
Yes,
I
yes,
have
yes,
to
definitely.
food, I have to do my household chores. Apart from that, I have a YouTube channel, so I have to have a English conversation with some co-learners, teachers. So that's why it's been a long day, I would say.
So, yeah, I know that your schedule is very hectic. But I just want to ask one question: that are you staying with your family or you are staying alone there?
No, no, I am staying with my family members,
With
not
your
alone.
family. Okay, 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 not an issue. So, yeah, definitely, if you are just staying with your family, then that is really helpful, right? Yeah, I know. So, just tell me about. So, you're working as a in a government school, right? As a teacher, right? So, since
Yeah.
how long have you been working there?
So I have been working in this teaching field for around 14 years,
Okay.
and I just teach in a government high school. So I am
Oh,
a
that's good.
government teacher.
So, okay, those then you are teaching in a secondary from sixth standard to from seventh standard to tenth standard student.
I take classes from 5 to class 10.
Okay, 5 to class 10. Okay, good. So you, apart from English, do you teach any other subject also there, or just you focus on only English?
No, I only just teach English. And apart from that, sometimes I also teach my students co-curricular activities, just like
Okay, good.
playing some outdoor games also. Outdoor games, just
Wow.
like playing football, cricket, because
Mhm.
I am very good at sports. So that's why I try to motivate my students by
Okay.
indulging them
So,
my students in sports.
yeah, is it like you take that P? Sometimes people say P, that physical education kind of class, right? Is
Yes,
it like
yes.
or PT kind of thing?
Definitely. Sometimes I just take P class also. Sometimes I take also, and because
Oh, great.
I enjoying taking just physical education class sometimes.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Okay, definitely. You're just really hardworking. And just tell me that about your English speaking journey. It looks like that you have just worked really hard, okay, to get the job also, and now you're just working on your commission skills also. So, would you like to just tell me that, okay, how much struggle you face?
Okay, just I'm telling, try to share my journey in a very nutshell. So as I have said that I am a English school teacher. So my subject is English. So since my schooling time, I am very good at English as a subject. So at that time, English was my favorite subject. But
Wow.
in those times also, I used to focus only grammar, reading, writing part. So that's why my speaking, I just neglected my speaking skill at that time.
Uh,
So
your written communication might be really awesome.
yes,
Your written communication might be really great then, right?
yes.
Yeah, you
So
might be
that's
good at
why
it.
I just thought that I should work on my speaking skill so that I can teach my students in a better way. And apart from that, I'm blessed with my son, so I want to give him proper English speaking environment. So and in case of my personal, I want to grow my career. I want to be the better version of myself, and I want to enhance my English speaking skill as well as communication skill. So that's how
Oh,
I'm
great.
just keep on practicing every single day.
Yeah. So, how old is your son, right?
I'm 37 years old.
No, you told me that you are blessed with a son, right?
Yes,
You have a small kid, right? You have a baby,
yes. I just have only one son.
one son. So how old is he?
He is 6.5 years old.
Listen. So in which language do you speak with him?
As my native language is Santal. Okay,
Oh,
but the place where I reside, the most of the people, their native language is Bengali. So that's why they also speak Bengali also. But I
okay.
try my level best to speak with my son in English also, because I want to give him this speaking English environment. So that's what I am trying my level best to teach him in English and to talk to him in English.
Okay, very good. So, yeah, in your school, then do you get enough people with whom you can with other teachers? Do you speak in English or you speak in your native language over there?
So, to be honest, honestly speaking, that there is no any teacher there who is interested to talk to me in English,
Okay.
and so that because they are not so much interested, I would say that. So that's why I'm trying my level best to speak in English in my part. Whenever
Okay.
I get any chance to speak anything, any topic also, I try my level best to speak in English because though my speaking skill is not so much good, I can, but sometimes I also get stuck while conveying any part also.
Yeah,
But
it happens.
somehow I
It
try
happens.
my level best. I try to my level best to express
Yeah.
myself in English.
Yeah, even my English is also not that good. Only, yeah, sometimes I also lose confidence. And just yesterday only when I was just talking with one person, right, I was not able to frame a question, right? I got confused and I just made him confused also, right?
No, no,
So that, yeah, that happens.
your English
Yeah,
is
sometimes
also
it
very
happens.
good. Your English is also very good. You can express yourself in a very nice way. I can see that.
Yeah. No, I'm just practicing every day, and day by day it's getting better. Okay, and I've just become a new YouTuber now, right? I'm just trying to upload a video every day, but it's not possible. I think within every 2 or 3 days, I'm just trying to upload it. Okay, because it also takes time, no? And I don't know the editing, how to edit a video, or I don't know how to create a thumbnail. So I'm just learning all those things, right? So it is
Everything is
taking
a
time.
process. Everything, be it learning or anything, doing anything, it's a process. In case of language learning, it's a long journey. Yeah, I would say that it's a language journey is a lifelong journey, and it
Yeah,
will take a lot of time. We have to be very patient here. Okay, we don't rush. We don't need to rush. We have to keep
yeah.
patience.
Yeah. So you told me that your native language is Santali. So I think you belong to Jharkhand. I think so because I know a boy called Jadu. His
Most
video.
of
He also
the
from Jharkhand
yes,
only, right?
of the teachers on online also, most of the Polanas, they also think that I am from Jharkhand, because Jadu Kishku is a viral boy on YouTube also, you can
Yeah,
say that.
he,
So that's
he
why
is a
most of the
viral.
learners keep saying that I belong to Jharkhand also, but I'm not from Jharkhand. I just belong to West Bengal, but I belong to the same community, Santal community, but I can say that, but I can understand very well my native language, Santa, but I am not so much able to express myself, because I have already told you that the place where I reside, the most of the people, Brahman community people, live in this area, in my area. So they just their local language is Bengali, so they speak this in this Bengali language. So I just express myself in also Bengali. So that's how I also I know about this Bengali also.
Wow, wow. Yeah, definitely. You are such a great and awesome person right now. And I think our just the time is just we are running out of time right now, and I think we should wind up our session. So it was a really great talk with you, and thanks for giving me your valuable time, Mr. Bablu.
Okay, sir. Thank you also very much for giving me your precious time also.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay,
Thanks
so
a lot.
have a nice day.
Yeah, same here.